Hey, let's slow down for a moment. I want to share something that might genuinely help you out. There's a product that's been getting a lot of love lately, not because of hype, but because people are having real positive experiences with it. It offers a smooth, comfortable performance, it's designed beautifully, and it's so easy to use that it just blends into your routine without any stress. The thing that surprised me most was how naturally it fit into my day. It didn't require effort, it just made things easier. If that sounds like something you'd appreciate, then take a moment and click the link in the description. It might be exactly what you've been needing. Stop for a second. Don't scroll. Click the link in the description because this is something you don't want to overlook. Here's why people love this product. It delivers real performance without the complications. Smooth operation, strong design. Hey, let's slow down for a moment. I want to share something that might genuinely help